Hello guys. Once again, I am here with a new tutorial on data and reporting on Tableau. This is my second video, and I'll try to deliver this better than the last one. However, I am expecting please do comments to make these tutorial better. This is continuation of previous video, and in this video, I'm going to cover more detail on slice and dice data. Like, how to display on single column. Other than that, we'll also cover data calculations based on different date filters and compare data on single sheet with multiple columns. For example, how to calculate one-day data. How to calculate MTD data, or say, aggregation of data based on first of current month till yesterday. Yes, mostly we work on day-old data. Or how to calculate last month to last date data, which is aggregation of data based on first day of last month till same date of last month. Last month, data aggregation, from first day of last month till last day of last month. Of data. Calculation of YTD data, aggregation of data based on January 1st, current year till yesterday. And also calculate first day of year till same last year date data, which is aggregation of data based on January 1st of last year till same date of last year. Along with full last year data aggregation. These all different data aggregations we'll try to display on single without using SQL. So, without delay, let's start our tutorial, the video on tutorial. So, I am back with this new workaround on Tableau worksheet. And if you've seen my last video here, I have table slice with 5 years data. Let's revise what we have in our table. We have almost 4,500,000 plus records of 5 years, and we have two measures, daily count and daily amount. We'll use daily count for our calculations. Let me recreate that parameters really quick. That will also help you to recall the last exercise. To create parameters, we'll use this down arrow. Now, duplicate this parameter, and create rest of two parameters. And, rename as order type slice, and state slice. Here, I am again creating this from scratch. Now, let's create our three calculated fields, to slice and dice our dimensions. Please follow steps on the screen. So here, our first step is completed. Now we need to create one dimension that will contain values of these all three dimensions. For that I am creating one more calculated field, named AllHead, and combining the result of those three calculated fields. I used arrows to make this fancy. This is all your choice if you want to use any other icon or not. These icons can be added using the Windows key, +. Here I am checking if company slice is false, then display company. Else, leave blank. And same I did for rest of two fields. Later combine all fields and cut the last character, which is arrow, as I do not display arrow to last diced parameter. Let's drag dimensions and measures to the worksheet and see the result. Here, you can see the data of daily amount and daily count without date filter. That means sum of all data grouped by company, order type, and states. Now let me drag one more dimension, heads. This time, all data grouped by company, order type, states, and heads. Let's try with our first calculation, selected date, single day sum of daily count. Let's try with our first calculation, selected date, single day sum of daily count. To get this, first we need to create a date parameter. Now create a calculated field to get single day, total value of daily count measure. For that, create calculated field and check if order date is equal to parameter date, then convert into integer. If the condition is true, then result will be 1, else 0. If you multiplied this by daily count, all value will be 0, whereas condition will not match, and rest will be remain same, as we are multiplying by 1. So you can see the data on June 4th, but not on June 18th. Now let's create MTD formula. Here I am truncating order date and parameter date by month. So both side day will be 1, and only month and year will be change. Then convert into integer. If the condition is true, then result will be 1, else 0. Multiply this by daily count, all value will be 0, whereas condition will not match, and rest will be remain same, as we are multiplying by 1. In order to calculate last month to last date, we need to apply two conditions. One, truncate parameter and order date for last month, until same day of last month. Like this. Now YTD is almost same as MTD, however it is truncated date by year, so sum will be from January 1st till selected date on parameter. Yes, one thing I missed, that instead of TD, till date, it is better to use date parameter value. Let's try. As a time limitation, I am not able to completed rest of 3 calculations, sum of daily count based on full last month, full last year, and last year till last year day of selected parameter. However, logic will be remain same. You may follow this on my screen. This is a great example of date calculations that are essential in many spreadsheets. I'm saying this based on my experience. I've applied the same logic in Cognos, SSRS, and even in Microsoft BI. I hope this tutorial will be helpful in your daily work. Once again, thanks for watching this video.